Okay, see the question, then simply I copied the question. The next one, what I am doing here, the minimum value. Okay, you see the minimum value here, -8 is the minimum value. Then 3, then -10. Okay, these are the minimax values and max mini. Okay, row wise what we see in here, minimum value we identified. Then column wise here, column 1, column 2, column 3, we need to identify the maximum value. 12 is the maximum and 7 is the maximum and 3 is the maximum here. Okay, these are the values we identified, and the common number here, column row wise as well as column wise, which is the number commonly repeated here, 3 is the repeated here. Okay, column wise or row wise, the same number we got, that is 3. At this we completed this problem. In this way you have to identify the saddle point here. Saddle point is here. See, I am doing circle, first one. The next one is here square. The same number I am doing circle as well as square. This is the saddle point here. Then after completion of this table, we have to write a small conclusion, that here you see the conclusion. Select the maximum of minimum value of each row and enclose in a rectangle here. Then select the minimum of maximum value of the column and enclose in a circle. The maximum value and minimum value coincide, hence the game has a saddle point. Game has a saddle point that is equal to 3, that is B2 A2 is equals to 3 and A2 B2 is equals to 3. This is a way to solve the question saddle point. Then after completion of after getting this value, after getting the value 3, okay, you have to write this conclusion. The next one, solve the game whose payoff matrix is as follows. Okay, this is also same question. You see the problem here. Solve the game whose payoff matrix is as follows. A1 A2 A3, B1 B2 B3, -3 -2 6 2 0 2, then 5 -2 -4. Okay, you see the solution. Same as I copied the question here. Then I am writing here minimax and max mini. Minimax and max mini. Okay, you see the row wise. First row, the minimum value is -3, and in this second row, 0 is the minimum value. 0 is the minimum value. The next one, -4 is the minimum value. Then we completed here row wise. Then column wise here, maximum value is here, 5 is the maximum value. Then 0 is the maximum value here. Okay, you will get the doubt here, how the 0 is the maximum value. You see this one here. See, 0 place is here. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so on. If we are writing these numbers to the right side here, then left side here -1 -2 -3. Okay, in this way we are going to know the value that 0 is the maximum value here, and here maximum value also 6 1. Here the commonly the number which is repeated here, the common number is here, 0 is repeated, 0 and 0. So here saddle point existed in this case, that is A2 B2 and B2 A2. Then after getting these values, simply you have to write a small conclusion here. Player A plays max mini strategy, player B plays minimax strategy here. it will be seen that the minimax and max mini value is 0, hence the saddle point is existed, that is 0, b2 a2 is equal to 0 and a2 b2 is equals to 0. And these are the practice problems. Try to solve. Okay, solve the game. Choose the payoff matrix is as follows, that is 1 2 3 unit 1 unit 2 unit 3 minus 3 12 minus 1 minus 6 minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 15 minus 8. Okay, try to solve this problem. The next problem here, 1 2 3 4, okay, 20 15 12 35 25 14 8 10 minus 5 4 11 0. Okay, A B C D row wise values and column wise values are given. Based on these information, try to solve the problem. So tomorrow we are going to discuss this mixed strategy. Okay, mixed strategy is nothing but, suppose in the given problem, if the saddle point is not existed, at that situation what we have to do, this problem we are going to discuss tomorrow. Meanwhile, try to listen this one. Okay, and watch in our channel also these all these problem once again. So thank you very much for listening the class. Thank you.